Hey, what's up guys? So in this video I want to share with you 10 hidden features on Amazfit Active Max. So let's get started. Did you know that you can actually get a watch face on this watch that has a depth effect with portrait photo? So here you can see that the depth effect is on, the time is behind the face here, and if you tap on it you can change images and you can have several images with time set to appear behind the subject. It looks really cool. For this you need to go in the Zap app on your phone, then go in device, and here go in watch faces. Scroll down and you will see this portrait watch face. Tap on use now. So you can add images from your gallery. Once you have added these images, you can change how the time appears on these images. So if I select just this one, you can move the time around. If you don't want the depth effect, you can just make the time appear in front of the subject or make it appear behind the subject. You can move the image around to set it up perfectly. Once you're done, just press save and it will be synced with your watch and it looks absolutely amazing. You can have multiple portraits like this with time set up differently and just tap on them to switch between them. Moving on, you can keep your watch's display turned on for longer than the screen on duration that you set up in the display settings. You can set it up to stay turned on for 5, 10 or 15 minutes. And to do that, you need to go in quick controls, then tap on this button here, and here you can select the duration of the time that you want the screen to stay turned on. Now this is a one-off thing, so if I select 20 minutes, the display will stay on for 20 minutes. But after that, this feature will turn off and it will switch back to the normal screen on duration that you've set in the display settings. Next up, you can also change how the icons look on this watch. You can change the theme. So for that, you need to go in settings, go in display, scroll down, and here you will see the theme style. So by default, we have the default style, but you can change it to business or vibrant. So if you select this, go back, now you will see that we have completely changed app icons. If you go for walks and runs at night and you're wearing this watch, you can turn on the night safety lights so that ongoing traffic can know that you are there. And you can do that by going in settings, then go in workout settings, and here go in night safety light, turn it on, and then you can go in screen on duration, select the duration. So by default it's set to 1.5 seconds. Select the screen color. So we've got three options: red, yellow and white, and then you can preview it. This is how it will function if you're working out at night. Moving on, if you want to work out in peace and don't want to be disturbed with notifications, you can turn on do not disturb during workouts, and for that you need to go in settings, then go in notifications, and here scroll down and turn on do not disturb during workouts, so notifications won't alert you or pop up while you are working out. There is a very effective offline voice control on Amazfit Active Max, and with it you can control pretty much any aspect of the watch. And this is how it works. Brightness up, enable battery saver, and you can customize the experience by going in settings, then go in voice assistant, and here go in offline voice control. Here you can set up how you will wake up this mode. So you can select respond within 5 seconds after you turn your wrist, or respond within 5 seconds after the screen lights on, and finally respond during screen light up. You can select all of them or any one of them if you want. After that, you can view all the commands for all the different things on the watch. So for system control, you can say things like watch face, enable DND, disable DND, enable battery saver, and all the commands are here. You can go through them. You can also open apps. There are workout controls, alarm and timer controls, reminder control, and local music control. And then finally, we have offline voice languages. So these are the languages that are supported. So this allows you to control a ton of features on the watch hands-free. Moving on, this watch comes with a sleep mode, and you can go in the quick controls and tap here to turn on the sleep mode. But what happens if you forget to turn on the sleep mode before going to bed? Well, your watch can detect that you are sleeping and the watch will turn on the sleep mode for you. You can set it up by going in settings, then go in preferences, here go in sleep mode, and turn on smart enable. This will automatically enable sleep mode during sleep while you're wearing the device. This does not affect sleep mode settings in sleep schedule. If you go in the quick controls and tap on this battery button, you can go into the battery saver mode. But did you know that there is a mode where you turn on all the features and only time will be available to you? and that will help you maximize the battery on this watch. And for this, you need to go in settings, then go in preferences, and here go in battery saver mode. Scroll down and you will see clock mode. Now when you turn this on, the watch can only be used to view the time and record steps and basic sleep information. And if we enable it, this is all you'll get. You'll get the time, you'll get the steps, and it will record some basic sleep information, and that's pretty much it. In this mode, you preserve the most amount of battery and you can increase the battery life of your watch. Now, obviously, you will only use this feature when you want to preserve the every last percentage of battery remaining on this watch. And to turn it off, long press this button and it will exit the clock mode. Next up, you can also change whether the buttons are on the right of the watch face, or you can set it up to appear on the left of the watch face. And this can be done by going in settings, then go in preferences, and here go in varying direction. So from here you can select buttons on left, and now you will see that the buttons will appear on the left of the watch face. So this can come in really handy if you want to wear the watch on your left wrist or on your right wrist. Next feature that I want to talk about is the one that comes out of the box on this watch, whereas it is becoming available on other Amazfit watches as a part of software update, and that is the ability to change the text size on this watch. So you can go in settings, and here go in accessibility, go in text size, and you can make the text really big or you can make it really small, and as a result you can see a lot of information on the watch in one swipe. So that's about it from this video, guys. These were some of the hidden features on Amazfit Active Max that can really improve your workflow on the watch. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, or you can also catch me up on X. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.